Now I want to get from there over to here. So I'm going to use the travel tool. There is the red dot. So if I hit the numeral 3 key, there is the last node. And I prefer to travel rather than use the connection stitch, because I don't have to go in then and edit that connection stitch. So I'm going to just lay a line down through an area that is going to be covered with flowers later. Bring that down here and just around to here, and then right click on it and say generate. Go and pick up the turning angle satin option. Still on B. Actually, I'll leave the parameters until in a minute because I want to set them to hold for other objects. So I'm going to use the numeral 3 key. Let me just take that back a step, and we go up and say halt. There it is. I've picked up my tool. That was the exit. This is the exit. And that's where I would place my node, but be doubly certain I hit the numeral 3. And then I click another one to the side of it, let them almost kiss. And the higher you go with the magnification when you're doing something like this, the easier it is for you to control getting your nodes reasonably close together. There is a little line of dots there joining that up. That is the angle bar. You see? And I want that just like so. So that's highlighted, so I want the next one here, which belongs to side 1. Side 2. This is side 1 again. This is side 2. This is side 1. Side 2. 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 And then put the last couple over this side. Okay. Curve my outside nodes to give me a nice shape for my leaf. Okay, now I can bring that one in, and I can bring this one in. I bring this in, move this one over, and I'm going to put that move you out of the way for a minute. I'm trying to click my right mouse button and I'm missing. To line. That gets rid of the curved node. And I'm going to click on this one. To line. Now it's getting rid of my inside curved node. To line. Okay. And I'll get rid of these. To line. Click on this one. Tell that one to line. But you see, I needed the curved nose for the outside edge. To line. To line. Okay. And then stitch this closed. And that's my antivirus program telling me that they just updated. And then I want to turn I've got to move that outside one out of the way a minute. Click on the end node, tell it to line. And close that one in. And I just want to move the angle on that one a touch. Finish object. Go and drop the magnification. Parameters. Now I go and I choose number 2, which is the proper steel stitch, 4.5. Pull comp 3. That's 0.3 of a millimeter. I do not want auto corners, and I tell it hold parameters for new objects. Apply, generate, and let's go and look at that in 3D. And there we've got 2 nice leaves with radiating angles coming from the center, and I think I might even go in and re-edit this one so as the center marries together that little bit nicer.